Today, we're diving into a really fascinating, kind of hidden blind spot in artificial intelligence. It's a task that is so simple for you and me, but it can totally stump even the most powerful AI models out there. We're going to find out exactly why and how a brand new breakthrough is finally teaching AI to see the world a little more like we do. So let's just start with a quick test. Take a look at this chart. You can probably tell which bar is the tallest in, what, half a second? It's instant. But what about the world's most advanced AI, something like GPT-4o? Can it do the same thing? Well, here's the kicker. The answer, surprisingly, is that often it can't. Not reliably, anyway. And this one little failure points to a really fundamental gap in how AI sees the world. But a new system called Chart Agent is about to change all of that. So, what is going on here? What's the core of the problem? Why does an AI that can literally generate photorealistic art and write complex code completely struggle with something we all learn in grade school? Well, the whole issue boils down to what researchers call unannotated charts. Now, that sounds technical, but think of them as charts without the cheat codes. There are no numbers printed right there on top of the bars. To get it, you can't just read the data, you actually have to see it and figure out what the shapes and sizes mean. And this slide just shows the problem perfectly. On the left, you've got an annotated chart. That's a piece of cake for an AI. It just uses something called optical character recognition, or OCR, to read the numbers. Simple. But on the right, with that unannotated chart, the AI just hits a wall. It can't just read anymore. It has to actually understand what it's looking at. And this, right here, is where Chart Agent comes into the picture. And it's not just another slightly better AI model. No. This is a completely new way of thinking about how to solve this problem. Think about it like this. A big, general-purpose AI is kind of like a handyman who only has a hammer. Sure, a hammer is useful for a lot of things, but you definitely wouldn't want that person performing brain surgery on you. Chart Agent, on the other hand, is the surgeon. It shows up with a whole toolkit of specialized instruments, each one designed for one specific part of understanding charts. So, how does it think? Well, it uses something called an agentic framework. So let's say you ask it, which bar is the tallest? First, it has a thought. Okay, I need a plan. I'll need to figure out the height of every single bar. Then it takes an action. It reaches into its toolkit and pulls out the Measure Bar Height tool. After it runs the tool, it makes an observation of the results. And then it repeats the process, thinking again. All right, based on those numbers, bar C is the tallest. It's this constant, simple loop of thinking, doing, and learning. All right, so what's actually in this specialist's toolkit? Let's pop the hood and take a look, because this is where Chart Agent's real power comes from. So the toolkit basically has two main types of tools. You've got your universal tools, which are things that work on pretty much any chart, like a tool for finding the X and Y axes. And then you've got the really cool stuff, the chart-specific tools, like one designed only for measuring bar height, or another just for calculating the area of a pie slice. It's all about using exactly the right tool for the job. Okay, that's great, but what happens if a tool messes up? I mean, tools can fail, right? Nothing's perfect. Well, Chart Agent has a really clever solution for that. When Chart Agent uses a tool and thinks the result looks a little fishy, it actually double-checks its own work. And this self-correction thing is incredibly effective. Get this, it successfully recovers from its own errors 70% of the time. It's not just using tools, it's using them intelligently. So we have this new strategy, we have this awesome new toolkit, but here's the real question. Does it actually work? Let's look at the numbers. The results are, well, they're pretty stunning. On a tough dataset of these unannotated charts, Chart Agent hits nearly 85% accuracy. Now, that's a huge jump over the next best model. But look at the average of all the other models. It's less than 50%. That's a coin toss. So this isn't just a small improvement. This is a total game changer. But as impressive as this is, it's not perfect. And what's great is that the research is also really honest about where this technology still falls a little short. So the failures pretty much fall into two categories. You've got perception failures, which is where the AI's eyes get confused by things like text overlapping on the chart or really bad color contrast. And then you have reasoning failures, where the AI's brain makes a mistake, like picking the wrong tool for the job. It's a massive step forward, but yeah, there's still a ways to go. And this brings us to the really big idea here. The Chart Agent breakthrough, it's not really just about charts. It's a sign of what's coming next. The future of AI might not be one single giant all-knowing brain. Instead, It might be a whole team of specialized agents, each with its own little toolkit, all working together to solve the world's most complex problems. So that leaves us with a huge question. What's next? If we can teach an AI to truly master the visual reasoning of charts, what other complex human skills can it learn to master? Reading medical scans? Designing a skyscraper? The age of the specialist AI is really just beginning, and honestly, the possibilities are kind of endless.